Chongqing, one of the largest cities in the world, the most populous metropolis in the world, resident population of up to 32 million. The urbanization rate in the city has reached 70%. The urbanization rate in 7 regions has exceeded 90%. Welcome to the most exciting city on earth. Located in the central area of southwestern China, the Yangtze River and Jialing River flow by, also known as the bridge capital of China. This city is also a commercial and industrial center, known as the 8D Magic City.
重庆北站到。
Welcome to the mountain city of China.